finally landed here in Barcelona after 14 hours of flight from Toronto. Yes! Finally got my other bag. Just have to wait for the bike box now. Woo! That's it! Oh man, I hope the bike is okay. Bad experience. Parang Pilipinas, no?
Sementeryo.
No, parang yung mga apartment na sementeryo.
LRC. Gracias.
Kung wala kang dalang bike box, okay lang maglamit.
Ilan?
Nasaan pa?
Ay. Ayan po.
Oo, meron. Nasa baba pa. Nasaan yung taas? 3-1? Ah, dyan pa? Naku, taas pala ng akit ako. 3A ba? 3-1? Oh, iba pa yung 3A. Oh, yun. Ay. Yung yun. Sige, kunin mo yung gamit mo.